Good morning, students. Here we are once again with one of the most important topic that I told you in the previous video, that is subject verb concord. Now we have already discussed certain rules related to this topic. Let's discuss some more. So the next rule goes like this: if we have a large number of, in this condition, the noun used should be plural and the verb used should be plural as well. But contradicting this statement, if we have the number of in a sentence, it follows noun in plural form but the verb used should be in singular form. For example, a large number of students were present there. As I told you, with a large number of, we should use plural noun and plural verb. So here students is plural noun and were is plural verb. Now next example, the number of absentees is rising this year. With the number of, we should use plural noun and singular verb. So here absentees is plural noun and is a singular verb. Now, if we move forward to the next rule, it says if in a sentence we have only one auxiliary and two main verbs are given. In this condition, we should use auxiliary with both main verb. For example, 25 candidates have passed and one failed. Here, there is two main verb passed and failed, but only one auxiliary is given have. So, to make the sentence correct, we should place one auxiliary here also. So, the correct sentence goes like this: 25 candidates have passed and one has failed. Next rule says, if we have only one main verb and two auxiliaries are given, in this condition, we should use main verb with both auxiliary according to its tense. For example, she has never and will never do this. In this example, there is two auxiliary has and will, but there is only one main verb do. So, according to the rule, we should use main verb with both auxiliary according to its tense. So, with will, we will use verb first form, that is do, and with has, we will use verb third form, that is done. So, the correct sentence will be, she has never done and will never do this. Now next rule says collective nouns like group, jury, crowd, team, etc. may be singular or plural depending on meaning. So if it will be used as singular subject, it will take singular verb. But if it will be used as plural subject, it will take plural verb. For example, the jury has awarded custody to the grandmother. In this example, jury is a group of members. That's why it is acting here as a singular subject. So the sentence has singular verb has. Next example, the jury members have been arguing for 5 days. In this example, the jury members are acting as individuals. Therefore, the verb is plural. Now next rule says plural form subject with singular meaning take singular verb. For example, news, measles, mumps, physics, etc. Mumps is a contagious disease. In this example, mumps is a name of disease. That's why the sentence has singular verb is. Now next rule says plural form subjects with singular or plural meaning take a singular or plural verb depending on meaning, like politics, economics, etc. For example, politics is an interesting subject. Here, politics is a name of subject, so it is used here as a singular subject. That's why the sentence has singular verb is. Next example, the politics of the situation were complicated. In this example, politics refers to the many aspects of the situation. Therefore, the sentence has plural verb were. Next rule says, when two or more singular subjects are connected by with, together with, and not, besides, no less than, the verb is in singular. For example, she and not you is at fault. In this example, she and you both subjects are connected by and not. That's why the sentence has singular verb is. Next example, my neighbor together with his children has left. In this example, both subject, my neighbor and his children, is connected with together with. That's why the sentence has singular verb has. Now We have given you few sentences for practice. You have to identify which one is correct and which one is incorrect. After identifying the sentence, you have to correct it. So, the first sentence is, bread and butter are my brother's favorite. The thief with his accomplice was arrested. Rohan or Sohan have broken this his toy. Each of these flowers is very beautiful. 5,000 rupees are not a petty amount. A number of accidents were reported in the newspaper. The jury was anonymous in its verdict. The jury, sorry, not only she, but her friends also was present at the party. Diabetes have become an epidemic. The Netherlands has a strong farming industry. Thank you.